The Yangtze sturgeon is a living fossil unique to China. Once thriving in the Yangtze River basin, it is now critically endangered. Today, researchers are working hard to rebuild its wild population through artificial breeding and release programs. In April 2026, Chasing partnered with CCTV to explore the Yangtze sturgeon's natural spawning grounds in Jiang'an County, Sichuan. The Chasing X ROV recorded and collected underwater data on the sturgeon. This effort vividly reflects the steady progress in aquatic ecosystem restoration and rare wildlife conservation under the Yangtze River Protection Strategy. The site features complex water conditions, including depths of 20 meters and fast currents reaching nearly 3 meters size. It is too dangerous for human divers to enter and complete the inspection. Yangtze sturgeons are highly alert and hard to spot in turbid water. To overcome this, the Chasing X carried an imaging sonar to conduct large-scale acoustic sweeps. It quickly tracked the sturgeon's movements, greatly boosting the scientific team's efficiency. Acting as the researchers' eyes in the depths, the Chasing X features a 4K HD camera. Thanks to its 4.5-knot omnidirectional anti-current capability, the ROV remained highly stable on the turbulent riverbed. It clearly captured subtle terrain changes and schools of fish, gathering invaluable visual data on spawning ecology. In this ecological recovery mission, the Chasing X ROV showcased the core strength of underwater embodied AI, blending deep environmental perception with precise physical execution. It achieved non-destructive monitoring of the fragile deep-water habitat with zero disturbance to the animals. This mission vividly demonstrates how Chasing brings underwater embodied AI into real-world natural environments. It reflects a firm commitment to protecting biodiversity, restoring natural habitats, and achieving harmonious coexistence with aquatic ecosystems.